How to use coupons on Shein app. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can basically use coupons on Shein app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to use coupons on the Shein app, all you have to do is simply go ahead and launch the Shein app like this. Then you want to add the products that you want to buy to your bag over here. Once you add them to your shopping bag, you have to go to the checkout process by just tapping the checkout button here. So basically just select the products you want to buy, and then after you've done that, you just want to come to your checkout page. So let me go ahead and then do that basically here. Now once I just go to the checkout page like this, I'll be able to enter my shipping method and my delivery details and everything else. All I need to do is simply make sure to tap on the apply voucher button over here, so which could also be sometimes written as apply coupon or something similar. Once you find that option, make sure to simply enter your coupon code or everything else, tap the apply button. Once you select your coupon code and then just tap the apply button like this, tap and continue, and then you'll successfully get some discounts based on your coupon code. And that is it for today's video on how you can use coupons on the Shein app. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.